Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to turn an online store into a catalog using Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage inside Hostinger Website Builder, and this is my store page. This is my online store products, and to turn this page into a catalog, click on Edit section, go to Filters, disable this option next to show categories as filters. Now for the sorting, yes, disable the ability to sort. Same thing with the total product count. Now what is left is this add to back buttons. To disable it, just click on it like that. Now the only thing to remove from this online store to turn it into a catalog is this pricing under each product. To remove the pricing for this product, just click on it. Click on edit products. Then scroll down a little bit and check disabled under add to back button for the product in order to make this pricing optional. As you can see, when add to back button is disabled, item cannot be purchased directly from your store and displaying price becomes optional. So here, keep the pricing field empty and hit save. Let's see the effects on my online store / catalog. And as you can see now, no pricing is showing under my product name. Let's check the store page. Same thing under in this page. Now repeat the same with all of these products and you will have a catalog instead of an online store. And this is how to turn your online store into a product catalog in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.